So the rise of 3D printing and popularity has caused companies to really diversify the kinds of plastics. Back in the old days, you might get, you know, the basic colors, red, blue, green, in plastic. But now you get those specialty rainbow colors and all kinds of stuff. And then you have PLA, which is your standard plastic most people print in. Lots of other plastics, but PLA Plus is also one. It's a PLA that's a little tougher. Well, I recently got a filament that's a PLA Plus wood. It's 30% wood fibers. Smells like wood. When it's 3D printing, it smells like wood, like you're wood burning a wood set. It's kind of neat. I got this in a black walnut color. So I like it, and it might scratch the itch for those people who are, want wood, but they want something that'll be impervious to the elements also. It's kind of neat.